Lewis, you've won so many times in your career. Monaco in '09, for example. How do you do it, man?
Well, you know what? There's always a way to win. There's always a way through.
Lewis is going to be the first human ever to race a car operated by artificial intelligence. Let's meet the competition. Aja.
Hello, gentlemen. In my simulations, I have beaten Lewis 148,623 times.
And how many real races have you won, Aja?
This will be the first. I see all the possibilities, Lewis. You cannot pass me. You do not win.
There's always a way through.
Lewis, congratulations. This was a historic win.
Well done, Lewis. But our race has just begun.